Hey you guys, Coach Coco here. So thrilled that you have decided to stop by today. The website does you a little bit of just information, there's some ideas out there for you to think about, but really I want to know why you're here. Why are you deciding to watch this little video? Because it's that simple. It really is. So my name is Claudia and I am a health coach here in Dover. I absolutely love what I do, helping people, inspiring them to restart their health journeys through holistic approaches that change lives. So I want to make sure that you know I am a real person, and also that we are starting another health challenge very soon, which is very exciting. You feel it in the air. You know that times are changing, the seasons are evolving to other seasons, so really it's a great time to revisit some of those reasons why you want to be healthy. Or maybe if you're feeling unhealthy, you know, what are some things that we can apply right now, right, to ensure that we are, you know, taking care of ourselves. Okay, so so important. I'm a mom of a toddler, I am a wife, and I know that I do two things that are basically impossible. I am a teacher and I am a mother. So with that said, you guys know you need energy, you need a clear head, right? And 7 years ago I was teaching and I was not feeling so good, extremely exhausted, drowning myself in coffee, and then doing the whole I'm gonna party all night long. So it really was a moment in my life where I needed something, and I prayed that I found something, and I found it. And when I did, now I share it with others. You guys, it's been 7 years. I've been a health coach and I've been helping people find their way back to a healthier self, right? And it's possible. I did it, you can do it. It's so simple, you guys. We start every month, the 5th of every month, so it's coming around. And what you need to know is that it's a live challenge. You get accountability, you get to meet other coaches, which is amazing because they bring in more inspiration and they bring other stories too. And then you have all of the community that's involved, that's trying to go for the same thing. And whether, you know, you're seeing this video and you know it's not for you, no problem. Maybe you know someone who really needs that one-on-one option, right? And wants somebody to meet them where they are, and really give them a whole plan, right? A whole approach that their coach as well is following. So I am so excited to meet you. Please reach out. We start very soon. Just email, you know, like the video. We can stay in touch and you can learn a little bit more about how to reclaim your energy starting as soon as today. So take the challenge, let me know you're in. Take the wellness profile, let me know you're in. Check out the information in the website. Set yourself up with an appointment so that we can get you started. And of course, if you're serious, you'll get right into the challenge, get right in, and have your seat reserved because it starts September 5th, okay? So that's it for now. We will see you later. Bye-bye.